In this video, I'm going to be showing greater than 900% gains in Tesla options from the Tesla Master. Coming right up!
Power target trades, power trigger trade.
Alright, but before we go to the 900% gains option winner for the December 31st 1,000 calls, this is what I said on December 21st. Okay, I may have said some of the wrong numbers sometimes on the first video, but because of the calls were December 31st. But anyways, let's recap a few quick points of us banking at 100% gains and holding runners for 900, rated in 900% gains. I'm going to show you this is all done step by step. Pay attention if you're serious for success. All right then. So this is the plan. Tesla set up the test back into the 1,100 to 1,050 area. Well, we did over 1,100, so that we hit targets. The December 31st 1,000 calls are what we will use. Tesla needs to break above 932. We will enter with buy stops. So I'm going to go to that right now. Now, on December the 20th, because we posted this, pre-market to get ready for the day, the options closed on December the 20th at $765 per option. They hit a high yesterday of $10,700 per option, which is anyways, I'm going to show you all the facts. All right, so let's go to the confirmation quickly. All right, so at 1:34 p.m. on December 21st, Tesla confirming with the December 31st 1,000 calls at 1,000 point, well, we'll just say 1K per option, right? It's a little bit more than 1K, but $140 more, right? So 1K per option, make it simple, okay? Now we got 900%, greater than 900% gains on the runners. In this video, you want to see part 1 for more in-depth explanation of how we did this. But I'm really focusing more on the runners. Okay, so let me get to some key points. So on December 22nd, right, I posted I have stops now at $2,300 for the calls, and I got stopped off 50% of the runners at $2,264. So for example, if someone held, we're going to go with this, like Fernando, for example, held 4 options, okay? And so what he would do was sell 2 and hold 2 runners, okay? And later on, we're going to see Fernando's gift, grinding with skill. He just did really good. He started with me again this year. He grinded all year round. He made some great gains and has really improved his account size and has massive skill along with working with Power Trigger Trade, the big picture leader. All right then. Okay, so then of course Tesla was going stronger. So Tesla on December 23rd, right? Tesla right now, our runners are at 4,300 as Tesla pre-market is at the 1017 area at 7:46 a.m. So we've gained. Our runners are now at $4,300, okay? Yeah, 3 plans posted in the group, Tesla, Apple, AMD. AMD we sold for small gains, but we missed out on some bigger gains in AMD. Fernando did get upset with me about that, but that's another story. All right, so Tesla, based on the pre-market data, very good sign that would be for Tesla to not go below 1,000 or 1 today and take out 10. So I'm preparing what has to happen, okay? So I was telling that we were starting stops at $2,500 on December 23rd. And step by step, Tesla options at 38 when Tesla is at 1,008 area. So for today, I think if the stops hold at 30, we should be good at 9:38 update. So by 9:38 a.m., we had our stops at 30. As you can see in the video, make sure to press pause and you could read some of the text. It's all there, right? All right then. Tesla options at 40 as Tesla is at 1012 area. We should keep stops today at 28. I actually moved them lower This is, again, adaptive thinking to make sure we catch the best gains from the gains we just made. That's the purpose of having runners, to catch max gains. I do this year after year after year. Our strategy, catch 100% gains and then bank as much as we can on the runners. Sometimes we don't bank anything on the runners, and sometimes we bank massive gains on the runners. More often than not, we do bank the best wins on the runners. But we're making the money to give us the power to hold with the power we had by getting in. Comprende. Okay? Come to my live streams, I can tell you more information when I do them. Okay, so anyways, and I do the time steps. Tesla is now at 1031 area at 10:40 a.m. You go to your charts and check for yourself, right? And our options are at $5,100 for the December 31st 1,000 calls. We can move stops to 36 now, okay? And let's go to Tesla. We are breaking 1054, so we can place stops at 50. Now, for the December 31st 1,000 calls, as our options are at 68 and Tesla is at 1054 area at 11:50 a.m. Okay, people? Then December 23rd, Tesla's at 1064. Now our December 21st, well, not 21st, the 31st, it's not 21st, calls. There's a typo, but everybody knows if we're in the 31st, we're in the 31st, right? Can't be in the 21st. Calls are at $7,900 as Tesla is at 1068. Move stops to 60 now. Tesla, I have 6 runners. What I'm going to do, and I did this for GME, is I sold 2 of them. But not at 77 each, because as I did that, the stock popped up. So I sold 1 at 78 and 1 at 80 per option, and then I held 4 runners for the remainder, okay? Which we had to wait for after the weekend. So we're going to get to that. What a nice way to end the year. Just 2 options costing $2K, $15K. Yeah, so for example, on the runners alone, $2K, okay, if you buy, if you bought 2 options, right, and you held them, $2K made that kind of money if you banked, if you held it for that. Now, I held runners, so I could do that, but you have to have runners to be able to sell, right? But that also decreased. That was because that's 800% right there. So, but I still had 4 more runners. Okay. I usually do 12 options per Tesla trade on all my plans. Okay. Tesla. So now, if we base above. So, anyways, basically, I had banked some, but that's not where we banked our runners, right? And then so Fernando was so happy. He sent me a gift. Right over here, $500. We're going to go into other ones. So Tesla, building well at 1067 at 2 p.m. up 2 p.m. Looks good to test 1,100 from here. Our options are at 78. As long as we build above 1051, stops can be 61 for the December 31st 1,000 calls. Now let's look to get 10K or more on these runners, and we practically did. But the problem was I wanted to get more than 10K, and we followed the rules. Long story short, end up getting about $9,700 per option. So 4 runners, you multiply that by 4. That's what I gained on the runners. Whoa. All right then. And so can anyone else who would have done the same things. So I'll step by step. Grinding year after year after year, you gain massive skill to win. All right then. That's looking good at 354. So basically, okay, Tesla, because Tesla. Okay, so then comes December 27th. So we still holding, right? So here's December 27th, because we had to wait from December 23rd. We have to wait because the market was closed. Okay, so now December comes, which is where we banked, okay? On December 27th, Tesla, our runners keep running. They are at 89, the December 31st 1,000 calls, as Tesla is at 1083 area. We can now place stops at 72. So 7,200 at 8:24 a.m. Okay, the market wasn't open at that time, right? But that's where we could place our stops. However, I do make updates, okay? So here it is at 940 yen, okay? Tesla, because Tesla has now hit 10, it kept moving like a machine, right? Because Tesla has hit 1098 and our calls have hit 105 area, we can move stops to 85 for this January 21st, 1,000 calls for now, that was a 9:40 a.m. update. Tesla now at 1092, our calls are at 99. So we had stops at 85 as the options were 99, okay? That's what that means, okay? But then, as it was trading, I suggested we move stops to 80. Tesla, we want to hold this as it stays above 1070, so move stops for the December 31st 1,000 calls to 80 now, a 949 update. This is very important. I want to show you what I said here, okay? I give people the mental capacity, my reasons of why I'm doing things, because I'm trying to make us the most money. Every plan I get into, I manage with the intentions to make that money. That's the most way I make my money, right? It's not like I have hundreds of members who can follow my advice. Not many people do, because they can't make money, right? They just don't, even if they're told what to do step by step, they still fail. I do provide all of the necessary help, but you still got to take action and have faith in what I'm doing and study the facts on my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. All right, I'll show you that more information, okay? I told people it's very possible to bank over 10K per option if this does build above 1070 and take out 1,100. Well, that's what happened, right? And we have the power to do this at the same time, if not still bank greater than 7. So basically I was just saying, at this point in time, the worst we can get is 700% gains. But I want more. We did get more. Because we have the power. That's what we're grinding here for. We're not grinding. We're grinding for max gains. We're putting power in our sakata, in our pockets, so we can make the dollar bills with our skills. But if you're not catching great moves when they're presented to you, don't forget, this trade, great, we made money, but we've been stalking Tesla like a hawk for weeks. It wouldn't confirm. But then it confirmed, pow! Power Trigger Trade delivers another whopping huge win for Tesla, for the group. 4 massive wins this year. 4 massive wins. 4. All right? Big like this. Grinding with skill. Tesla. People. If this does above, okay, so now let's go here. Tesla. Oh, not Apple. Tesla. No reason this can not test 1,150 this week. We were close to that level, you know, at least halfway. Tesla hit 1,103, and our options are at 106 area, as Tesla hit 1,103 area. So now we can move stops to 82 for the December 31st 1,000 calls, a 10:21 a.m. update. Now keep pivots to stay above is 1,080, and we want to take out 1,105 next. Tesla now hit 1,107, and so on and so forth. Press pause, read, okay? I don't want to read everything. Honestly, grind with skill hard, and I provide the power and mental capacity. We had options. I had stops at 100, then I moved them to 95 because I said, you know what, we need move. The 100 is, long story short, let's take a look here what happens. So Tesla, if we build above now and take out 1,115, we can see 135. So moving stops to 95 is perfect. Okay? Press pause to read some of this stuff. I'm going to just read key points. 12:11 p.m. We had our stops at 101. Okay? But I did move them again. Okay? If we had left them at 101, we would have got that easy, because these calls went to 1,000. I'll show you here. Let me show you here. So at 1:50 p.m., we still had our stops at 101, okay? Then at 3:07 p.m., Tesla, I suggest move stops to 98 for the December 31st. So I moved them down $300, okay? And basically, that's when we got stopped out. I got I got 96.95 because when I got stopped out, it must have widened the bid ask, and then it bounced several times. But basically, I got $9,695 per option. That's 4 for me and 2 for Fernando. As an example, him going with 4 and I going with 12. If you went with 20, did the same thing. You had 6 runners. You just multiply. Look, the amount of money you can make if you grind with skill is unlimited. It's only up to your ability to stay consistent and grind with skill and not overtrade and undertrade, but trade the same way all the time. Win or lose. That's how you win massive gains. All right, before we go to the charts to show you some more information, I want to show you some of my great my gifts from my serious followers who grind with skill. Fernando's been with me really solid this year. Did really good. You know, I explained that. I go, Fernando also sent another gift for this trade, $800 plus $500 before the runners, for a total of 1.3 gifts. So Fernando sent me 1.3K in gifts for this Tesla win. And, you know, he probably made himself a good, I would roughly say that at least 24K. So 24K in gains, following the rules, okay? Let's see what Fernando said here. And you can find him in my other videos. He sent me $859. Sandro, giving this group a freaking awesome finish to the end of the year. Thanks for all your hard work this year. Love being a part of this group and growing. Let's get some new plans ready for tomorrow. Okay, all right. So, anyways, Fernando excited and making the dollar bills with skills. So pay attention and study. David. Now David, which is his name, you know, uses Wing. Is known Dave here, but is Wing on when he sends gifts. Let me click on here. So this is what Wing said. Now, he's been grinding with me for years. Okay, sent me $1,228. Hi Sandro, thank you for ending the year for the group with this epic Tesla win. Everything you say is proven true again and again. Follow the rules and grind with skills every day, and the results will speak for themselves. Looking forward to an amazing sunshine. You will lead the group in 2022. Get that through your skull. All right then. Bruce, same thing. He's been grinding for a few years in the group. Always sending bigger gifts. Grinding year round. Through the sun and the rain. Let's see what Bruce said. Sent me $1,800. See, if you're not grinding and you're not taking action, and you're a fearful trader, and you don't have faith in what you're doing, you're never going to make the big dollar bills with skills. Even if the best person is holding your hand. Many people can't even do that. But Bruce does. But he does it with confidence of what I'm doing. He's done his study. He ain't going to be sending me gifts for no reason. That's the whole point. Group is free so that you can succeed. You sending gifts because he's proud of the gains. Sandro, again and again, you prove to the world that your skills are second to none. What a masterful Tesla plan. Congrats on the great plan and a great year. $1,800. Great win in 2021, end of the year. We've had a lot of great wins. This is our second big win in Tesla. We've had other wins, but not as big as this, but many great wins in Tesla. And over the years, many great big wins in Tesla. Been trading Tesla since 2016 for options. And they only get better, listen to me carefully, year over year, it's only been getting better and I predict it's going to only get better. Let's see what we get. You can join us too if you're serious success. Right. Then we'll go to Eric. One more here. You know, we're gonna go to Eric. Another example. Okay. Eric has been coming and going, but he's been really doing good in the last 3 months in the group. See, it's December 28th. Yep. Sandro, another awesome grinding win with Tesla. As usual, appreciate your daily analysis as the plans play out. Looking forward to many more wins in 2022. Follow the rules and win with skill. I mean, I preach and I preach and I preach how to succeed. But you got to believe, you got to take action, you got to do your own study. Okay. You know, there are other people send gifts, Carlos, and so on and so forth, okay? So here's the chart. All right, so now we're going to go to the charts. I'm going to explain some key things. You can see that this is post-market data that Tesla is around 1,000, but it closed around 1,088.75. But right now, post-market, it's, as you can see, it trading. Okay, look over here. Now that's for December the 28th. Now let's go to the options. All right, so these are the December 31st 1,000 calls. Now on the 21st, like I showed, okay. Sorry, right over here. On the 20th, Tesla closed. The options closed at $765 per option. And if you look at the arrow, shows you the box. You see Tesla there in green. That's the closing price, 7.65. On the 21st is when we entered. You can see the open was 9.25. The high was 12.662 and the low 4.38. We entered in the afternoon on confirmation, and the first video shows all this. Okay, this is part 2, and the reason and how we did it. But it was in the afternoon, and so those options closed for us. We were in profits of $200 per option, the very first entry. Then you've got the 22nd, and the open was 20.60, high 4.46, low 17, and the close 38.15. Then came the 23rd, high 30, open 35.75, high 82.56, low 32, and close 76.68. And this is the day we got out. Open 81, high 119.35, low 80. And the close 97.21. So there you have it. We made some great gains, greater than 900% gains. Okay, and this was for December the 27th. Okay, we weren't in the trade anymore, and we are looking to get into more Tesla plans. I'm going to explain you some more facts of how to get into the group and some more information. Stay tuned. All right, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. It's all about the confirmation. We stalk our prey. We wait for execution. The best on that Tesla options master. We're going to kill it for the next decade in Tesla. It's a massive wealth generator. I've generated a lot of extra wealth just from Tesla alone. It's that good. But if you don't have the right mindset or the right skills, you will not catch these type of gains. But you can with me if you study and focus and get inside my group, which is free, Power Group Trades. And I can only help you if you're serious for success. So simply, you can see right here is a pin tweet video. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way. It's going to tell you, how to get into the group. It's about a 10-minute video. And over here, here's a link. You click that. That brings you to my YouTube channel. Study the created playlist. I have a created playlist for 2021 for 3 main plans, okay, which was large. Like this is the 4th one. You'll see that in the created playlist, 2021 great big wins. You'll see that. check out those videos, see them. It's good to study those videos, part of a way to get into the group. I look forward to helping those serious for success. We're going to make 2022 another great year for those serious for success. I grind, I care, I put my heart and soul in this for us to all succeed massively with my massive experience in making money with options. By the way, I'm also a Tesla shareholder as well. Don't forget to subscribe. You see this icon here, simply, you can see on the screen, simply click on it. It's going to give you easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to like the video.
Power target trades, power trigger trade. Power target trades, power trigger trade.